So good morning to one and all. Today I'm back with another video. Hope you all are doing great. So today, as you can see from the thumbnail, we are going to see one of the most important indicator of the technical analysis, which is the MACD indicator. So I think most of them actually are familiar with the MACD also, but today we'll discuss in depth actually how to use this MACD in a particular trade, when to enter this, and how to analyze this in multi time frame. So multi time frame plays a very crucial role. So when you're doing intraday, you know that we need to select a time frame which is less than 1 day. So in that case, we see MACD as different as compared to 1 month, or it may be or any 1 year also, when you're thinking of taking a long term trade. So we'll discuss about all these in multi time frame analysis also. So we know that MACD is nothing but moving average convergence or divergence, so by means of which we find out the direction or momentum of the particular stock. So we know that we have two lines, basically the signal line as well as another normal line, which may be blue color, green color, according to your personal settings. We know that the signal line is nothing but the 9 period EMA. Okay, we'll discuss also about the exponential moving averages in the upcoming videos also. And similarly, the another line which may be blue according to your settings, it may be the 12 period EMA minus the 26 period EMA. So we don't need the science for this, just we need to understand the basic concept on how to take a trade using MACD. So we'll discuss them with different types of charts. I will show you different types of charts where we'll see a crossover. We try to find out a crossover. Whenever we are taking a trade, we see the crossover. So if it blue line crosses the red line, so then we say that it's a bullish crossover. Similarly, the vice versa, if the red line crosses the blue line, then we say it is a bearish crossover. So we need to take trade according to these two criteria. So we'll discuss about all these, and definitely this is a leading indicator, but we can 100%ly we cannot be dependent on these indicators. We need to even use other indicators for confirmation, and also we need to have an overall grip of the technical analysis. For that, you can visit my channel. I have done videos on the technical analysis on how to take a particular trade. So if you are familiar with those principles, then definitely you can use this criterion for your confirmation. Okay, so now we'll discuss about actually what is MACD and how we can take a particular. Okay, now we are back to the whiteboard, where I will discuss about the basic steps that we need to follow whenever we are using the MACD indicator. So next we'll go to the charts, where we'll discuss how this MACD has given a good amount of profit to the traders or the investors. So let's get started. So now let us see that MACD actually consists of a basic tool. So let us take a basic line like this. This is, let's say, zero line. We say that this is the zero line. So here we'll have histograms. So here upside also will have histograms, downside also will have histograms. So the upward upside above the zero line histograms are generally shown in green color. So let me draw this very neatly so that you can have a clarity. Okay, so it will have green color like histograms like this, and downside we will have red color histograms. So in these, between these histograms, we will be having two lines. I told you, one will have the signal line, and another will have a normal line. Let us take a light green for this. So let us say the stock is trading like this. Okay, and we also have let's say and the signal line which is coming like this. Okay, okay, so at this point of time, okay, when we want to know where the stock actually is trading, so we need to confirm this with actually the volume of the shares which are entering at this particular point. So when we see, okay, so when we find that Okay, when we find this line just crosses this, okay, when this line just crosses this and it starts moving upward like this, and the red line is just going down like this, okay, it's moving like this. So when this green line is just crosses the signal line, then we need to enter the train, and the confirmation is what we need to check the volume. So if the volume is very high, okay, if the volume is very high, mark my words, if the volume is very high and we see that the green line is just crossing the signal line, then we confirm that it is a bullish crossover, right? It's a bullish crossover, and we need to wait, okay, till sorry, when we need to wait till this green line, okay, this green line break cuts this line, so again we can confirm that there will be a profit booking. So this is the basic principle of what is the MACD and how to use this indicator. Just we need to enter the trade whenever the normal line crosses the signal line, and just we need to exit when the signal line crosses the normal line. So this is the basic fundamental, and the confirmation should be your volume. So if the volume is also decreasing, then definitely it's bearish. If volume is increasing with the crossover, then definitely it is going to be a bullish crossover. So now let's see the charts, and we'll see how this MACD has behaved in recent times. We'll see recent charts only. We'll take examples of IRCTC and DMART also, where it has shown excellent results. If we would have entered in that share, then definitely we would have earned a good amount of profit, because the IRCTC share is growing rapidly since it's showing its monopoly power also. So we'll discuss about this using MACD. Okay, so now we are back with the DMART share. So now we know that currently DMART share is trading at around 2458 rupees. So from the see, this is the downward is nothing but the MACD indicators. You can just directly go to the studies option here. You can directly go to the studies option here, and you can select the MACD indicator. So this is the multi time frame. You can go to 5 hours, 4 hours, you can go to 30 minutes, 15 minutes. If you are doing intraday trading, I told you I'll tell the details. So if you are doing intraday trading, choose the 15 minutes chart as well as the 30 minutes chart for good indication of the MACD and for good profit. And if you are going for positional trade, or if you are going for long term trading, then go for what we say, then go for the 1 month chart or 3 month chart for good movement of the MACD. So it's a very good movement here. Okay, see, you can see if you have entered here around when this black line crossed the signal line, so it has moved very drastically upwards, and we can book our profit at this point. So this is what is known as the MACD indicator. Is very good, and you can earn good amount of a profit using this. And similarly IRCTC share, IRCTC has also, see, when we take trade enter at this point, see, when we enter trade at this point and the black line is going forward, and here it has given a bearish indication, and again it a profit booking has started, it consolidated again, here it gave a bullish crossover. So this is what is the basic principle of MACD, and this is what I was telling, that don't read too much of signs, what is it, what is an EMA, because that's not the good analysis we need to do. Just we need to understand the basic concept, and we need to follow any one indicator, and we need to master that, so that we will get good amount of knowledge on it, and we'll have experience on it, and we'll get good amount of profit also. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about other technical indicators like okay, moving averages, 200-day EMA, what is 100-day EMA. So we'll discuss about all those in detail. Okay, until then, if you like the video, okay, do like the video, and